Line is proud to introduce Cela and their line of aerial work platforms. The Cela Spider Lift sets new standards in the aerial work platform market space. Cela lifts are engineered for commercial and tree care professionals seeking reliable and lift equipment. With unmatched performance, versatility, and safety, Cela's DT80 Spider Crawler offers exceptional reach in tackling the toughest tree care projects. The DT80 offers a safe working height of 79 feet and a maximum horizontal outreach of 39 feet. It's built for an up and over clearance of 45 feet with 180-degree rotation and 720-degree turret rotation. Plus, it delivers an operating weight of 6,503 pounds, making the DT80 the optimal choice for handling the highest demands. Elevate your projects with Cela and take your work to new heights. Get in touch with a Line equipment expert at one of our 7 locations and schedule a demo or consultation today. We take pride in providing our customers with nothing but the best, which is why for us, compromise just won't cut it.